Hi guys, it's me Terry of the Yarn Joy podcast. I was contacted by Sophia of Craftsyart.com, and that is a site where you can purchase diamond painting projects, okay? And she asked me if I would be interested in reviewing some of their products, and she would send me some of their products for free, and in exchange I would do a video review of them. And so I said sure, and so she sent me, well, she had me I picked out two. I knew I was getting two paintings. I picked out two that she asked me to pick from, or not from, but from the website. And then she also sent a bonus product in there for me to review that I didn't even know about. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so I got these three. They were three packages, okay, and they were all in one big plastic mailer, okay, but they're all individually wrapped. Okay, so the first one, I went ahead and opened the end of it here so I could slide it out easier. Okay. So the first one, oh yeah, okay. So this one, and I'll tell you how come I picked this picture. Okay. So here is the picture. Now let me roll it this way to get it to lie flat since it's been folded. Let's see if this will help it to lie flatter. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it's this tree, okay? Here is what the picture is supposed to look like. I don't know if you can get a good view of that, but I will insert a picture here, a screenshot that I took of this, just the picture off of their website. Okay, I'll put it right here. Okay, so that's what the picture is going to look like. It is not, as you can see, it is not a full drill picture. It is partial. The background is where you don't put diamond paintings on the background. It's just the tree itself, okay? I thought this was really pretty. On the site, it says that it is 30 by 30, which is in centimeters, okay? And usually on these sites, when they have a number for the size, it is actually the canvas, the total canvas size, okay? So I have my little tape measure here, big tape measure, and I will measure the actual image size. It is about roughly 9 1/4 wide. And let's see, by about 9 1/4, you know, it's a square, 9 1/4 by 9 1/4 inches, okay? I think this is going to look really pretty. Now, the reason I picked this picture is I have a perfect place to put it. I'm going to hang it in my dining room, above where my dining table is, because in my dining area, I have a metal wall sculpture that is, I thought would coordinate really well with this picture. So I will put in a picture right here of that metal art piece that I have on the wall. Okay, so as you saw in the picture, there are leaves, accent leaves in that metal sculpture that are kind of a turquoisey type color, and so I thought that this would be an awesome addition to that wall space, okay? So, in the kit, you got the basic kit, which is the set that you get the tool, the drill placer, whatever it's called, and the little wax square that they always send, and also the little boat that you put the drills on. This is a round drill project, okay? And now, sorry for the crinkling. I'm gonna open the drills here. Okay, they're all in this one package, and as I'm pulling it out here, I see that there are no loose drills or anything in the package, so that's good. There's no leaks in any of the packages, which is awesome. There are 10 colors in this picture, okay? And so, looks like that's, yeah, there's 10 there. So it's just the basic round drills. Let's see if you can get a picture. Yeah, see those? Okay. Really pretty pictures. And of course, here's that pretty turquoise color there that's really going to set it off. Very pretty. Okay. So there are 10 colors. And then as you look on the legend, there's a legend in just the top left corner right here. Okay. And it's got the number and then the DMC code number for each color as well. Okay, you can see the let me peel back some of this and you can maybe see. Very easy to read. Get it to focus. Yeah. I'm going to enjoy putting this together. I think it's going to look really awesome. Okay. So this is the first picture that I received. Okay, and it is one of the ones that I picked out. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Here's another one that I picked out. Oh, and I was going to say that I will link in the description box below a link to this actual picture or product, okay? And on the website, it is $6.99 is what it's listed, okay? And that is in US dollars. And then let's go to the next one here that I picked out. Okay. It's folded the same way. Move that one out of the way here. Okay. So here's this one. And as you can see, it is a old-fashioned sewing machine. I thought that was so cute, cool. I thought it would look nice. I'll have a wall that's like right outside the entrance to my craft room, and I thought that would be cute, a cute addition to that wall. Okay. Now, I was a little bit concerned about, a lot of people will say that if you're going to pick a diamond painting and if it's going to be a smaller size, that you should pick a picture that doesn't have a whole lot of detail to it, because otherwise, if it's got a lot of detail to it and it's a small picture, it will look more pixelated. I guess that's the term, not real clear, but I couldn't resist this picture, and I'm thinking that it's going to look fine. And as the other one, the drill field, I guess you can say, is very easy to read all the code numbers. This one does have the legend in the top left side and in the bottom right side, which is awesome because I am left-handed, and so I always usually start my diamond paintings and go left to right, okay? And I believe right-handers probably would start here and go right to left. So that is very considerate to have the legends on both sides, so that way you can work from either side. Okay, now this one, let me try to get it to lay flat here. Okay. So this one says 30 by 30 size, okay? And let me measure it. It is, no, that is canvas size. So the image size is, it's just a slight tad larger than the other one looks like. The other one was 9 1/4 wide, and this one looks like it's maybe just under 9 1/2. No, wait a minute. Yeah, it's a little bit over 9 1/4 inches, okay? But not quite 9 1/2. Both directions, okay? So it is a square image. Now this one is a full drill, okay? I just thought I just really like that picture. I think it was really, I think it's going to be really fun to put together. Okay, and you get the kit with this one. You get the tool, the boat, the wax square, and there looks like there are a few little baggies in there, okay, for your beads. This one has got 22 colors in it, so they did give me some extra little baggies. Okay, and here are the drills, okay, and it is a round drill. Both of the ones I picked out were round, okay. And excuse the crinkling again when I open this up here. Here it goes. Sealed very well. Okay. Okay, looking in the package, I don't see any loose drills anywhere. I have gotten paintings before, not from this company because I have never gotten anything from this company before, but I have gotten one or two that would have some loose drills in the packaging, but I don't see any loose drills, anything. Everything is sealed very well, so that's wonderful. So there's 22 pictures, 22 drills, sorry. There's 22 drills in this set, and I really like the colors. I think the colors are very pretty. Ooh, look at the purple. Love that. I love purple and turquoise. Ooh, look at that one. That pink's pretty. This is going to be very fun, just like the other one. They're both going to be very fun to put together. Very awesome. Okay, so that is that set, or that kit, rather. Okay. And then this was the surprise package that was sent to me, or the surprise product. I did not know I was going to get a bonus, so this is cool. And I'm really excited about this because I have never done any type of diamond painting except for pictures, okay? I do know that there are products like you can get things that are like greeting cards that you can diamond paint on. They have some notebooks like journals with lined pages in them where the covers are diamond painting covers. I would love to do one of those. And they also, I noticed on their website, they also had these keychains, and that's what she sent me. Sorry about the crinkling. Let me get it out right quick. Okay. Okay, so this is a set of 5 keychains, and they are elephants. I think that is so cool. And like I said, I've never done anything except for diamond paintings, so this is going to be a really fun project. It's got the whole kit, okay, there's 5 of them, like I said, and then they give you the hardware, like the little hooks, you know, to make them keychains, and some little chain to, you know, connect them to the clasps, I guess you could say, the hooks. And of course you get the basic drill tool kit, which is the drill placer, and then the wax and the little boat. And then here are the drills. Now these drills are rhinestone drills, I guess, or jewels. I'm not sure exactly what they call them. I have never used drills that are like this, so this is going to be really fun to work with. I've only used the basic drills that came in these other kits. Like, see that? Just the basic ones. Okay, so this is going to be really fun because it's extra sparkly. They're rhinestone jewels. Oh, look at that one. It's like multicolored. That's awesome. Cool. And then you do have a few of the regular ones. Oh, wow. Awesome. Oh, and look, you even have some bigger sized ones. I have never used any of these these types, and you even have some jewels that you get to use to put onto, you know, embellishments to put on the elephants. So this is really going to be fun as well. Okay, and there isn't a a guide or anything that you have to look at. It's just like the regular diamond painting where it's labeled, you know, what color code by letters, what colors to use, and the packaging has got, yeah, it's got, see, that one says C, that one is K, that one is E, and so the code as far as what color to use for what is right on the package. Like, see, that one says R, and I can see that big rhinestone right there. It's going to go right there because that says R, okay? Okay. So that's really different from what I'm used to, but I think it's going to be really fun to put together. Very quick, and I think these would be cool little gifts. You could use them as luggage tags or keychains. Either one I think would be really cute. Or zipper pull on us crafters project bags as well would be really cute. So thank you, Sophia, so much for sending me the 2 pictures that I picked out, plus this bonus keychain set. This is really going to be fun. Really going to enjoy this. Let's see. Make sure I have... Oh, okay, so I want to let you know that I will put in the description box below, I will put the website to craftsyart.com. I will also put product links to these 3 products that I just showed you, okay, also in the description box below. I'll put that in there also. And yeah, I think that's it. So thanks, Sophia, for giving me the opportunity for trying out and reviewing these projects, and I can't wait to get started working on these. I think it's going to be really fun. Really looking forward to that turquoise tree and even the sewing machine picture. I think it's going to be really fun, and these keychains will be awesome. Make great little stocking stuffers, I think, or as well, if you didn't want to keep them all for yourself. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.